Hello, welcome in here to Hurricane Milton stream today. We were going to be doing it, so I have some food, so I'm going to be here for a while. We are having a landfalling hurricane right now at the moment. Hurricane Milton here, Category 3 hurricane here. As you see right now, we're currently seeing it. The eye of it right now is, let's get a distance here for you. That's Hurricane Milton right now to the coast. Let's see how fast it's moving. That's a 10. The center is about 20 miles, so next couple hours will be making landfall. Next hour and a half, 2 hours. You see, it's heading towards just to the south. It's Tampa Bay here, so yeah. But yeah, welcome into the stream here if you have not seen the stream yet. So yeah, welcome. Yeah, make sure you're checking it out. Welcome here for the live stream. So I'm trying to set it up real quick. So, Category 3 hurricane coming in the as we speak right now, coming into Florida as we speak here. The EYEWALL is coming in right now. Yeah, welcome guys into the stream here. If you're not yet, check the like. Make sure you drop a like here. As it's coming into Milton, we need to make sure we're spreading the word here. I'm here for a while. I got food. Got a little busy this morning, so I'm kind of starting a little late, but we are here live here now for Hurricane Milton. So welcome guys. I do got food stuff. I'm eating a little bit right now. It's just so we're ready for this right now for this stream. So send stuff right now. So just a second. But yeah, welcome in here for the stream here. Here, I'm gonna grab some food real quick, and we'll go over. And we got another has pizza here. Help me get you to that. I got pizza here for this stuff. I'm eating a little bit. I'm sorry, I got pizza here for the stream so we can get you guys going. But here we go. As we're gonna start with this here. Category 3 Hurricane Milton right now. Very latest advisory has it at 130 miles an hour, or 120 miles an hour. Sorry about that. So, and it was moving to the northeast right now here. On the latest advisory at 6 p.m. See, there's storm chasers out here currently for this hurricane. It looks like it's just gonna make landfall just south of Tampa here, somewhere between Bradenton or Sarasota. So if you're in Bradenton, Sarasota, you guys are gonna get that landfall. So if you're south, it's kind of interesting. There's a lot of dry air to the south. So like if you're like Inglewood, Cape Coral, you're barely seeing any precipitation. Most of the main eye wall is going to be towards Tampa, St. Petersburg for like wind and stuff here. You're going to get a lot of wind, storm surge probably down here just because of the way the wind's coming in. But this is where but surprisingly, a lot of dry air is keeping it to the southeast, which is actually going to help it a little bit. The southeast is keeping it a little drier here towards Cape Coral. If you're going down towards Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Naples, you guys are actually surprisingly getting a break on this. So, yeah, here as we're moving it, but as we go up to Tampa here, they're about to get hit here with rain and stuff here. And they're getting hit right now pretty hard here. This is kind of cross stream here. Let's go in there just to see what's going on here. We see there's some storm and stuff, winds starting to come through. So yeah, there's definitely a lot going on here with this hurricane here. As the eye wall is now hitting the coast right now. This is the eye wall here, as you see. Right in here's where the eye wall would be. These were the strongest winds would be right in here. And then obviously there's the eye here. So as we're moving here the next hour or so, we should be seeing landfall here any minute here. So keep an eye on that. We should be, but yeah, view is coming. It's coming in here, guys. Milton is making landfall. Category 3 hurricane. Wait, no, so it was definitely weakened here. It was a Category 4 earlier today and it was Category 5 yesterday, so. But that doesn't matter because it's still going to have a lot of storm surge here for you guys, so. If I can get a storm surge map for you, I will. Here, storm surge from National Weather Service here. I'm trying to see if I can pull one up for you. For Milton. I'm trying to see if I can pull up the map for you. Real quick, here's some. With me on that. It's from the National Weather Service here. See if I can pull this up for you for the stream. Sorry, I'm trying to get flip the source for you. There we go. But yeah, this is the current Florida map right now. So as you see, there is currently 8 to 12 inches between and stuff like that. So yeah, this is the current. This is gonna stay just as south of Tampa, right here. Tampa Bay is here. If you're south of Tampa Bay all the way to Charlotte Harbor, you're gonna be having some big here, especially in the southern side, because the way it comes or wraps around, you're gonna have it. So keep that up for now. Yeah, you're gonna be having some storm surge coming on through the next couple of hours. So definitely keep that in mind when you're going through the day here for this hurricane. Sure. So yeah. But you see it's slowly getting closer to Florida. Go back to the radar here, the satellite, real quick of this. The ice pretty much just kind of falling apart on this as it's weakened a little bit. You see the weakening of it. The ice kind of not on there anymore, but that's kind of how it's been here. So make sure, so as you see, we'll come back here, show you it. As you can hear it, mostly moving up to the north and east right now. So yeah. But yeah, make sure you guys are. Well, you see, this is coming in here, Tampa here. See if I can find any sort of real quick for you guys. Just if you can pull up any. This is buoy. This is telling you wave height. 15-foot waves going on. This buoy here. And this is showing you the different stuff yet. So you see wind beast just here. Are kind of heavy right now. So I'm trying to see if I can pull up anything for you guys to help kind of bring the cameras for you. You see it's starting to move closer to Florida here. So check the power outages here. As you see, there's stuff currently going on. Different stuff. That's we'll keep an eye on that today. But yeah, we have currently a hurricane. But yeah, we have currently the hurricane moving ashore right now as we speak. So I'm trying to pull up stuff real quick. See if we can. But yeah, we're gonna definitely pull up some stuff here. You see, this is where it's currently. It's getting ready to make landfall here. It's a Category 3 hurricane here. As you see, the rotation of this as it's coming in as it's moving towards the stream right now. Moving towards Hurricane Milton is moving towards Florida here in the next few hours here. It's going to be coming on shore here relatively soon here, as you see. Right. Sorry, I'm trying to see, but I'm going to give you some buoy updates. You see buoy in Tampa. This buoy is reading visibility is 0.4. Let's see the wind on this. The wind gusts here, the wave type was 15 foot in this thing. 15 feet waves currently reported out there. You see 49-mile wind gusts were dated at 5:48 p.m. This was without the game earlier. Let's go back to Connor here. You can see currently this what's going on right now. See, this is Connor Croft right now. As you see, he's about to hit. He's been hitting some extraordinary big wave stuff going on here. So definitely keep an eye on this here. There's one of those poor gherkin here. As you see they're starting to get winds and rain and all that coming through. So there's a lot coming on right now here, as you see. This hurricane, so you gotta go. I have food. Make sure I'm staying eating food. So we're watching this hurricane. But yeah, make sure you guys are dropping that, like, watching this here, as we are currently going through this thing. Category 3 Hurricane Milton here. Currently about to make landfall here. Relatively soon, so we're close to landfall. Close to landfall here on Hurricane Milton. EYEWALL coverage here of Hurricane Milton here. As you see, it's starting to move towards Tampa, Lakeland. It's moving in here. It's going to go just to the west of. Looks like it's going to go just to the south of Orlando and off of Cape Canaveral. So even if you're in Cape Canaveral, you're going to probably have at least a Category 1 hurricane. Let's see. This is 90, so you might have a Category 1 hurricane all the way to Cape Canaveral here before it goes offshore. So anybody between Tampa and Cape Canaveral could be having hurricane force winds here. Palm Bay, even maybe Orlando. Disneyland might see some hurricane force winds. I'm sure they're taking it great for that, but that might be seeing hurricane force winds here. But yeah, you definitely got to keep an eye on this. Serious landfall is imminent now. We're so close to landfall here. You see the outer band, the eye is running here. I see when we pause it for you. This is the current position. The eye right now is right here. So where it is. So it's about to come on shore. So give it any minute. It should be coming on shore. Back by probably the next hour. Yeah, it's getting close. Here's Sarasota. It looks like it's going straight at Sarasota right now. Maybe just Sarasota may get this. Did you see it wobbles a little bit? Sarasota might get this. Hi. Here. Now where it is, you see. Just Fort Gherkin. You see you see the wind. They're definitely in Iowa right now. Look at that wind and tree branches and stuff going on right now. So they're getting ready to hit I here. Go to Connor's stream. They're probably more. Yeah, that's look at that wind right now. Kind of. Yeah, the Connor cross stream. Heard the chaser out there. They're getting hit with tons and tons of wind. So, yeah. I mean, you see, it's about to hit. As you see, they're getting lots of rain right here. Lots of winds where Connor is here. So, Fireball is definitely in on them right now. Hurricane Milton. But yeah, Hurricane Milton is currently getting ready to make landfall here any minute now. So, if you have not yet, make sure you drop a like so we can share it, continue to share it, grow that. Hey, landfall is imminent here. So, yeah. Welcome to the stream here. I got food, and we're gonna be here for a while. I was about to make landfall. It's super close. Some of the other of these, I may be kind of starting to make landfall. Sarasota looks like it's gonna be making landfall in Sarasota. We'll see. I just want to see what it's looking like over here. This is Aaron J. Jack. Oh wow, look at that. There's a lot of flooding. Look at the storm surge coming onto the street. This is just, well, and you can see in the radar, there's not a lot of rain, but there's storm surge really. So, like, it may not seem like there's a lot of rain. Like, oh, we're going to be in the clear. There's a lot of storm surge happening even in this southern side of it, because the way the storm is going to push it, the wind's going to be pushing the storm surge this way. Let me see. It pushes it this way, it's the storm surge, so it kind of wraps around. It's like this, actually, probably won't see a lot. It comes around, wraps it, and the storm surge pushes it on more that way. So that's where we see the storm surge just going to be more southern because of the way the hurricane moves. So winds push it, then push it back on. But yeah, so even if you're not in this big rain, you may be seeing a lot of surge on this. The surge is actually probably the most dangerous part of a hurricane, not the wind. People are like, well, it's a Category 5 wind, and don't get me wrong, they do a lot of damage. Category 5, like Category 3, Category 4 winds are bad. Absolutely. But the storm surge, there's no way to kill people. Storm surge and the unexpected, like tornadoes. Because a lot of times they get two things that people don't really think of when you think of hurricane. They happen. Tornadoes, which are frequent, as they had them earlier today. When you can put that there, yeah, they have tornadoes and storm surge. So this is the stuff you need to be paying attention to. The most in a hurricane. Yes, the wind's bad. Yes, it can cause a lot of damage. Hurt people's lives and like ruining it. Yes, everything. If it gets damaged, it can cause a lot of flooding issues. The storm surge, the deadliest. So definitely want to keep that. As we see. Here it comes. Let's see if this buoy's saying anything. This one was also did 135, so let's see. It looks like it got pretty bad. This one's at 626. I'm gonna see the wave height on that, which is 15 feet. Which is crazy. That sea temperature is in the 80s. It's still showing you how warm it is. We're moments away from landfall here. You see the outer portion of this eye is coming in right in here. So it's going to be in any moment here. This eye is going to be over Sarasota, it looks like. Here, see if the quarries. See if he. Yeah, it's starting to really calm down, as you see. So it looks like we are getting into landfall right now, is the moment here. And yeah, there's still a little bit. Yeah, there's still some wind coming on, but it's about to be dead quiet. They're starting to. Yeah, you still see wind, so we're moments away from landfall, though. Here, you should see this from Corey Gherkins. You should go check out his channel on Radar Omega, or YouTube here. He does storm chasing, so good one I would recommend. But as you see, it's starting to kind of get that point here where we're landfall just minutes away here. We're so close to landfall here. I'd expect landfall here in the next several minutes here. And this is where the eye is right now. The eye is, you see, this is where it is kind of, you see a lot of dry air actually, so it's kind of hard to see, but this is where the eye is. Here we'll go back out a little bit. And that's where the eye is here. You see, it's kind of, because there's dry air. See, it's starting to hard to kind of see. Because there's dry air coming in right here. You see, this is why there's not a lot right here. Because of dry air. So there's dry air going on with the storm. So that's why there's a lot of moisture, wind, all that to the north, but not really to the south here. So, but you see, we are moments away from landfalling hurricane here. As you see, the outer bands of this eye is so close right now that it is so close. Here is a Category 3 hurricane as of 6 p.m. Oh, so Category 3 landfall coming in here any moment here. I'm just kind of seeing if I haven't seen anything officially with landfall making it landfall yet. If we see anything pop up about making landfall, we will give you the official report of landfall. I'm gonna be watching that for you here. I will make sure. But landfall is very, very imminent if it hasn't happened yet. You see, this imminent here. Landfall is imminent here on this here for Hurricane Milton. So just make sure you guys are here. But landfall is super close here to making it. So we're super close to landfall for Hurricane Milton here. You see the eye is coming very close. So we're gonna be watching it here. Let's go back to Corey Gherkin's stream real quick, see if she sees anything. There's still some wind, so it hasn't quite made landfall yet. There's still wind coming down from his. And let's see Connor's real quick. This is just, I'm just looking at different angles. Yeah, look at that. Tree branches. Oh, that whole tree's knocked down. Oh my goodness. Here, but yeah, there's, you see hurricane trees and branches and, oh my goodness, that's just, that's crazy over there. See that, look at that wind going on from Connor's. That whole tree got knocked down. So that's crazy. Let's see about Air Force One Caleb. There's just tons. It looks like they have power though, so these places are having power, so that's a good thing. The power's still up in that place, which is good to see. But they're getting hit with wind, so we'll see the power continue. So, as you're within minutes of landfall here. St. Petersburg. This Tampa may get. I don't know if it'd be worse for Tampa to not get that direct eye. Probably okay, better. But I mean, they're not gonna get the eye to help. Sometimes getting just like this could be worse. Like Bremerton might get slammed because at least we can get the eye to get breather for the second match of the EYEWALL comes through. But we're watching it right now. You're live here. Can you see me still? Yeah, it's getting kind of dark here. I'm in Texas here. So, but live here watching this. any minute now we should be having confirmed landfall here in the next few minutes here. This thing is getting so close to landfall. But it's super close. Landfall is very imminent. I don't know if it's gonna happen. This Connor Croft here, you see this is just crazy. Look at that wind though. I'm watching Corey's and it popped up. Oh, Brandon Kopic. Brandon Kopic, did he go off? Yeah, there it is. There's Brandon Kopic here. Super close here to landfalling hurricane. So, super close. And they're falling. That's from Brandon Kopic here. So it's getting super close here to the eye. So it's gonna be having in just a minute. But as you see, we're gonna come back out here as we get ready to get ready for the confirmation of landfall. It's happening as we speak right now. It's getting ready to make landfall here. As you see here, even places like Florida here, in Orlando here, you see. As we see, we're gonna come back to some of these here in a minute. Some of these bands are coming out here. Here's a place like Orlando is gonna get hit with hurricane force winds at some point tonight. Here, so this thing's gonna be long from over. It's gonna be having hurricane force winds probably all the way till it gets off the coast. And this will be sometime tomorrow. So yeah, it's gonna be currently waiting on this right now. See here currently is we're getting ready for this make landfall. And we're currently just seeing how it goes for you. You see, we're getting super close to this hurricane landfall here. And we're gonna be live here as it makes landfall. Let's go back to Pinnacle Cord Curtains. We're just seeing it's getting super close here. You see there's still wind coming on, but it's getting super close to being to die. It looks like it's getting close. There's still a little bit of a band. Looks like there's another band just kind of coming on shore before it hits. So it looks like it's going to be somewhere around here is where the guys be because there's another band kind of coming up. So it's probably at that. That's Connor's stream. Yeah, we're getting super close to a landfalling hurricane here in Florida. So make sure you guys are dropping a like. Landfall is very imminent here in Florida. So make sure you guys are dropping a like here for this stream. Very imminent. So we are currently almost currently we're getting close to land.